Take two. Let's try this again. So one of the reasons that a business would take revenue-based funding over a loan at their bank is simply because how fast we can fund it. Even if a business can get the funding at their bank for a lower cost, maybe they can't get the money as quickly. For example, we had a transmission shop that their auto lift, the thing that they take the cars up, it went out and they couldn't do business without that auto lift. And I'm not sure if they only had the 1 bay or if it was a 2 bay shop or 3 bay, but if it's a 1 bay, that's 100% of their revenue until they get it fixed. If it's a 2 bay shop, that's 50% of their revenue that they're down until they can get that fixed. So they needed $15,000 and they needed it quick. So we were able to fund them $15,000 right away. They had went to their bank first, and their bank loan officer actually said, hey, we can't help you, but we know somebody that can. And they referred them to us. And we were able to get them funding in a couple days. They were able to get it fixed, get back on track, get back to fixing other people's cars and making money. Another example is, I know I've used this before, we had a manufacturer that had an opportunity to get 60% off of a component they used in the manufacturing process, but he had to buy it within 2 days. He needed $250,000 in 2 days. He wasn't able to get that at his bank that fast. So he used us. We funded him $250,000 in 2 days. He got that product 60% off, and he used it in his manufacturing process, saved all that money on the cost of that, was able to pay it back early, got a prepayment discount on paying it back early, and still saved money, even though the cost was more than what he would get at the bank. But he wasn't able to get it at the bank because he couldn't get the money that fast. Another example would be if you have any type of business where you have a single truck that goes out to the business, like an electrician, HVAC, something like that. Let's say you blow your engine. So it's not an accident where the insurance is gonna, give you the money right away to fix it. It's like you blow your engine. You can't go out and make your service calls. You can't go to your customers without fixing it. You need the money right away so you can go out and do business again. We can get your money right away. It's all based on the revenue of your business. Get the money to you, get your truck fixed so you can get back on the road and start serving your customers again. That's one of the benefits of revenue-based funding, is we can fund it really quickly for you.